So my name is Omar Abisad. It's 4:54 p.m., June 23rd, 2019. So I'm going to give you today's sample of being tagged inside of my home. And my face is swollen. Sinuses are swollen. And the power is down. On and off. And the level is gone down. The temperature. So I heard that somebody signed another lease. So keep in mind that everybody I come in contact with is a source. 37 too. So just about anybody who has contact, regular conversations will be infiltrated. This is a way of of gathering information about me in order to control. So in this building, I'm being listened to inside of my home. I know this because I hear conversations outside my window and door about what I'm doing inside my home. And people loiter outside my door. I could hear commotions outside my door. And I heard conversations outside my window about neighbors recording me inside of my home. So I know I'm being listened to. The technology is very easy to get to listen to me inside my home. The walls are not soundproofed. So it's very possible to do, very easy to do. 37, so I don't have a fever. You can tell it's 3 minutes and it's fluctuating all over the place. The temperature 36.9, 36.5 is average, normal 36.8, 36.8, 36.9, 36.8, 36.7, 36.6. So the internal temperature is a little bit lower than the surface of the skin. 36.6, and the surface of the skin is back to normal. 36.5. So up and down, up and down, up and down. So the hand on and off. That's the thighs, and the thighs are being pulsed as I talk. And that's the thighs. The obliques. The breast. And the breast is really being targeted. It's very sore. Both both my breasts are very sore. So let's do the temperature one more time. 36.6, 36.6, 36.6, 37.2. And very consistent findings, sudden increase, just like that. So that's zero point 0.6 degree, 37.2, 37. So this is consistent with the up and down variation in the power that I'm being scanned. It also gives you a good idea of how often I'm being scanned. So it seems to be about every 5 minutes. So the increase and decrease in my body temperature seem to be every 5 minutes. So that would probably correspond with the frequency of the scans every 5 minutes. So the body temperature, the power of the scans, the frequency of the scans, and my blood pressure, as I demonstrated so many times before, all are in sync. They're all in sync. So that's today's sample. The power was turned up last night on my thighs and on my chest. Um, and I did a video where I actually had the power was turned up so high on my chest that I had to put ice on it. My skin was burning. Um, it was up to about 1 degree higher than normal, the surface of my skin. And the surface of my skin was burning, and my chest was burning. And I was getting heartburn like sensations with each scan, which was about every 5 minutes or so. Um, Heartburn doesn't occur every 5 minutes. So I put ice on the left side, on the obliques, and for about 10 minutes. Then I was still feeling hot, and I came and I took the temperature, and there was about 3 degree difference between the side that had the ice on it to the side that didn't. So the side that had the ice came in about 35.9, I believe it was. And the side that did not have ice came in at about 37 something, almost 3 degrees. So this is a really good um, the video is a really good evidence of being tortured and cooked inside of your home when the power is turned up.